Hey everyone! So I saw this beautiful color palette on Pinterest the other day, and it was a gorgeous dahlia flower with all this background color, and I thought, I want to try this color palette. So there was turquoise blue, so we'll be using the Sleeping Beauty turquoise shimmer, Victoria's Muscadine wine for the burgundy, Lucas apricot. I don't have any coral mix, so I thought we'll try this. Actually, I do. I just saw it as I lifted that bottle. So we're going to put coral in here. And I'm using the Grumbacher turquoise green for my darker green. It did have a hint of olive green in there, so we're going to use a hint of olive green. But I'm also going to be adding, I think, a couple of metallics here and there, just to offset these colors. So let me get this mixed up really well, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So that color went bad on me. It was just all curdly. So I took the apricot from Lucas. I put in a nice dose of Soho Cad Red Light and a heavy helping of Soho Magenta. And I came up with this beautiful coral color. So we'll be using that. So I am going to put a little bit of peridot next to the military green, which is our olive green. Grumbacher, I'm going to leave that alone, that turquoise green. And then Victoria's Muscadine wine and the turquoise, I think I'll put a little bit of gold in between those. And I will use the Deco Art 24 karat gold. So I'm working on a 6 by 24 wooden birch. These come pre-gessoed. They're just panels that I pick up from Jerry's when they're on sale. Most of the times I have to get them when they have the Art in the Carolinas show, because they're very hard to get a hold of. So I'm going to go ahead and move these over. I'm going to do probably 4 little flip cups, but I'm going to try to intertwine them so we don't have the lines of separation. So I think I'm going to give those cups just a little squirt of the WD-40 to release the paint, because we don't need a ton of paint for this panel. So all I do is just squirt into the cup, trying to get the sides as well. That way the paint just comes right out. So I am going to put just a touch of white in the bottom of the cup. See if we get a little lacing going on. And that's probably all we're going to see of the white. I'm going to follow that with the turquoise. Just resting it on top of the white. Ooh, empty bottle. And then we'll put in the 24 karat gold. We'll follow that with Victoria's Muscadine wine. These are our Parage Posse paints that I custom mix. If you're interested in purchasing my paint, the information is below in the description box. And if you don't have access to that, you can just email me at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. Alright, so let's put a little bit of coral in here. I definitely want that to show up. Okay, so I got that in there. Now I'm going to have to put gold again because I do not want to put that turquoise next to that, or the green. So separating colors. Alright, now I think I'm going to go military green first. I don't want to go too heavy on that. It's just going to be a contrast. And then we'll add some peridot to give it a little sparkle. Hopefully it'll tone it down with the gold as well. Alright, and then we're going to add our Grumbacher turquoise green. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the Deco Art Gold. And then I'm going to take the muscadine wine, do a circle and squirt down. And I don't have any coral left, but I am going to just put just a dollop on there, so the canvas doesn't get stained too red. Okay. So let's go ahead and flip. I'm not going to mess with them at all. Already loving that. So I am going to poke the bottom of these cups. I'm not just going to drag them. I'm going to poke them so that they kind of move a little bit. I want to hold that one down until that one goes. And I'm going to switch these cups around so that these colors mingle. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I want to pull this cup over just to give it a little push. It's pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shut this light off because you're getting a glare. There we go. So just torch it a little bit, get some bubbles out. And then we are going to tilt. So I don't have this on push pins or anything. I just stuck some tape on it, pulled it down, and decided to film. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I was itching to grab a board. So I need to get that other corner. So we have a nice contrast of dark and light. It's kind of cool, actually. We have a darker area up here, and then our lighter area down here. But we have some intermingling where we're getting some dark cells coming up through. And the white is definitely going to lace out right there and there. So if this is your first time watching, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'm really liking this. I'm watching these little cells come up through the white right there. I love that hint of coral in there, but that middle is so pretty. So I can't wait to see this one dry. So if you're new to the channel and you're thinking about doing acrylic pouring, on my home page of my channel, is the paint mixing video. And there's also a link under every video that I do how to mix paint. We do it for the base coat and for the colors. And of course our paints are pre-mixed. You can get them ready to pour, or you can get them in a jar and mix your own. Also join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. We do live acrylic pouring from 9 to 11. You can ask questions if you're new. Hopefully we can answer a bunch of questions for you. But we just hang out, we have a good time. You know, we have our regulars that come in and we have a great time. And I'm looking at this right here. Definitely going to pull some skins out of that one. Also, our St. Jude's auction is coming up March 8th. Please spread the word. Spread it to everybody that you know. We want to raise money for St. Jude's. We are donating 75% of our profits to St. Jude's. That's a lot of money when we have a lot of pieces to auction. So anything that we can do to help those little kids fight cancer, we're going to help. That is the one charity that I support all the time. And I just want to take some of my work and share it with you guys. You get a nice piece of art and your money goes to charity. How much better can it be than that? So I'm going to leave you with that. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, click on that bell, subscribe, click like, leave a comment, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.